What would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? It sounds like a tiny moment, but those 5 seconds could completely destroy our planet. Earth makes one full rotation every 24 hours. That rotation is what gives us day and night. Our planet has been spinning since it formed about 4.6 billion years ago, when dust and rocks in a giant disk around the sun collided and clumped together. Those early collisions set Earth spinning, and in space there's almost nothing to slow it down. So the planet keeps rotating, and will continue to do so for billions of years. But imagine the impossible. The Earth suddenly slams on the brakes. The ground beneath your feet would stop instantly. But the atmosphere wouldn't. The air would keep moving at the same speed the planet had been spinning. At the equator, that speed is about 1,670 kilometers per hour, over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than any hurricane ever recorded. Winds this powerful would rip buildings from their foundations, send cars flying through the air, and tear apart even reinforced concrete structures. You wouldn't be blown into space, though. To escape Earth's gravity, you'd need to reach about 40,000 kilometers per hour, which is far faster than these winds. Even far from the equator, places like Europe or New Zealand would experience winds around 1,180 kilometers per hour, still stronger than any storm in human history. But the wind isn't the only disaster. Because Earth spins, it's slightly wider at the equator. If that rotation suddenly stopped, the planet would begin shifting toward a more perfect sphere. Huge amounts of ocean water gathered near the equator would rush toward the poles, creating massive global tsunamis. Then, 5 seconds later, Earth starts spinning again. All that water would surge back toward the equator, sending another wall of water crashing across the planet. The only places with slightly calmer conditions might be near the North and South poles, where rotational speed is lowest. But by then, it wouldn't matter much. Cities, infrastructure, and ecosystems across the world would likely be destroyed. Luckily, there's good news. Earth isn't going to stop spinning anytime soon. In fact, our planet should keep rotating for billions of years. And long before anything like that could happen, the sun itself will expand into a red giant.